Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so far as to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a Cogency. Pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have Taze plugged in with Fumez up on Pressplay. Now, bro, I thought Taze was fully a CGM gang member at this point. I think so the man give up on music, dog. Man say, yo, fully CGM. I just say them and I make my money in the T24s. You understand? But now I'm there with a plugged in pan Pressplay. You see me? So we'll check it out. In the preview, the man jump out of the booth and go beside Fumez and start rap. So, you know what I'm saying? Something different. So me want just see what go on. You understand? I don't know Taze. I Triniman them and Hard One and Savo will just react to them a while ago. Some more Triniman from CGM. Digger they are the Jamaican man from CGM. So it doesn't want to big up everybody. Just big up every blood clot body. Check out my gaming channel, my music channel, and my Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's jump into it. Fumez with the light skin face again. Bro, every time I see this, I'm going to do it. Fuck out there, nigga. Fuck out there. At the O2 though, big things.
Yo, Taze, plugged in. Free everyone. Free the ops.
Man, make sure you mute that. You can't say that one there. What you say? What did he say, bro?
Free the ops.
What him say? Free what? I don't know.
I found him and lost it. Sav too savvy's toxic. Look, I really don't mind if you really want bad. Make a nigga say cheese. What's it? I go ballistic. Look at his characteristics. He ain't touched no chopsticks. Do it like misfits. See my boy Ching and I assisted. You ain't never seen no hot shit. You ain't never seen the wrong side of the barrel. Fought for my life and I won that battle.
Bro, the way your niggas starting off their songs today, bro, I'm not sure if we can continue today, dog. I ain't gonna lie, bro. How the fuck this beat start off like this and Taze start off like this, bro? Let's go again. Let's go again. I ain't trying to hear it, man.
I found him and lost it. Sav too savvy's toxic. Look, I really don't mind if you really want bad. Make a nigga say cheese. What's it? I go ballistic. Look at his characteristics.
Dog. Like, I really don't mind if a nigga won't bind, like, bro. Let's just go, man. Let's just go. I'm going to keep pausing, bro. Keep going.
I found him and lost it. Sav too savvy's toxic. Look, I really don't mind if you really want bad. Make a nigga say cheese. What's it? I go ballistic. Look at his characteristics. He ain't touched no chopsticks. Do it like misfits. See my boy Ching and I assisted. You ain't never seen no hot shit. You ain't never seen the wrong side of the barrel. Fought for my life and I won that battle. You ain't seen cats fuck out of their marrow. I just saw Martin, Kara and Carol. Look, if I'm gonna keep it real.
What? It's about cats, Martin, Kara and Carol. What one?
You ain't never seen no hot shit. You ain't never seen the wrong side of the barrel. Fought for my life and I won that battle.
You ain't never see the wrong side of the barrel. Meaning you've only seen it from the opposite side, bro. You ain't never seen from the shooter's end. Bro, that's mad.
I seen cats fuck out of their marrow. I just saw Martin, Kara and Carol. Look, if I'm gonna keep it real, blood, I'm done with the net and his frills. Look, let me find where he chills. Find him blind from head to his heels. Bind up, I had the avenue shaking. It could have been a shaving. Copper shot Leng if his voice starts raising. He could have been patient. Now he's a patient, fighting Satan. Waiting for God to save him. They know whoosh, I could have been raging. But these days shit don't phase him. Blood, these days shit don't matter. I let that slide cause I know I'm badder. Don't take that mitt like Jagger. Wet man down, now watch them stagger. I'm out in that coupe. Let me get.
Don't take the mitt like Jagger, man. Don't do it, man.
These days shit don't phase him. Blood, these days shit don't matter. I let that slide cause I know I'm badder. Don't take that mitt like Jagger. Wet man down, now watch them stagger. I'm out in that coupe. Let me get rich, I'm out in that roof. Them man clowns that don't like this sound.
Let me get rich, I'm out in that roof. Remember, say him and Digger D did run me past some roof one day and that. Don't forget that, you know.
I let that slide cause I know I'm badder. Don't take that mitt like Jagger. Wet man down, now watch them stagger. I'm out in that coupe. Let me get rich, I'm out in that roof. Them man clowns that don't like this sound. True say fake niggas hate the truth. Are you dumb? Bang the ting till it's done. Man and they couldn't get one. We got one on the for fun. And I can put that shit on my mum. How you like them apples? Oh, your mother can't forget grapple.
Oh, your mother can't forget grappled, man. Your mother can't, yeah, man. Big up the Trinidad.
Dumb. Bang the ting till it's done. Man and they couldn't get one. We got one on the for fun. And I can put that shit on my mum. How you like them apples? Oh, your mother can't forget grapple. Time will tell when the 9 got bells. Man won't quit, white flag like chapel. Try run up and then got tackled. Try run off and then got rattled. Try run, didn't get that far. So we had to stay and battle. I like keyboard up, but I boxed up from early. Try stay and battle. Chopped up his head like I'm trying to do surgery. Look, clubhouse.
What? Chop off his head like I'm trying to do surgery? Hey, calm down, bro. Just take it easy a little bit. Just a little bit. Just calm down.
Try stay and battle. Chopped up his head like I'm trying to do surgery. Look, clubhouse killing my people like clout. Ask about me, blood the ops can vouch or hate. Try to debate in it. Money on my head, better raise them stakes. I clocked it, he's shaky.
Nah, the way of the film start that clubhouse thing, bro. Why TY looks so uninterested, bro?
Look, clubhouse killing my people like clout. Ask about me, blood the ops can vouch.
Clubhouse killing my people like clout. Ask about me, about the ops can vouch, bro. I wish he kept that flow going, man. Clubhouse killing my people like clout. I whip up for them, I beat them like mouth. I whip up for them, I beat for that pound, and I whip that for them, I beat for that mouth. Bro, that would have made me lose my shit, fam.
Do surgery. Look, clubhouse killing my people like clout. Ask about me, blood the ops can vouch or hate. Try to debate in it. Money on my head, better raise them stakes. I clocked it, he's shaky. He said I took £2 and a lazy. I see everyone running to babies. Get back for your boy free. Who the fuck put money on my? Get that drop, we skidding in that. Who the fuck put money on my? Get that drop, we skidding in that. Who the fuck put money on my? Get that drop, we skidding in that. Who the fuck put money on my? Get that drop, we skidding in that.
Hey, bye. Hey, K2, this beat was sick, blood. This beat was it, blood. I keep a stick, blood. Fuck wrong with niggas, man. Yo, not gonna lie, brother. This, and I saw a comment on the T-Way one was like, the Taze one didn't even come out yet, but I know this is better than the Taze one. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all niggas need to start putting some respect on Taze's name. Not gonna lie, bro. Y'all niggas need to. You know what I'm saying? Wait, what did I just? Yeah, this one. Yeah, but yo, put some respect on Taze's name, dog, because this shit was no joke, fam. You understand? Almost a 10 out of 10. Almost. It's a 9, but it's almost there. You see me? Because this beat from K2 and Taze flowing. The only thing, if him did clubhouse killing my people like cloud and the ups can vouch, if he kept that flow going for like 2 bars to make it a 4-bar flow, bro, disgusting. I would have probably had to just end the recording there, but my shit's fucking up right now, so I gotta have to restart this shit. But you don't know, Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. Taze plugged in with Fumez. Tell me what you think about it in the description, in the comments. Tell me what you want me to react to next. Cogency and the Cogency Reacts channel. I want this motherfucker, man. Yes. Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, yeah.